Entering the port of Jacksonville was pretty easy. They just keep you moving right here. If you go forward like we are, this is where you drop off your large bags. And then you have to swing back around and make a left and go to pay. At the time of our cruise, it was $85 for the 5 days that we were gone.
Alright, thanks guys.
The time it took us from the car through security, through check-in, and up the ramp was about 15 to 20 minutes. Boarding was delayed, and we were booked on a suite, so we had priority, so we got on a little bit quicker. Having said that, the other lines were moving along, but it was congested through security.
Hey, bud. Hi, how are you?
Welcome on board, guys. Please let's proceed to our master station.
Alright, thank you.
Everything's cold in here. Everything's cold.
We are on deck B3. This is a rooms tour. I'm gonna go right into the door. This is all the information for safety and stuff. Got your safe and a bunch of shelving, and there's 2 drawers here. So, and we've got the big closet. Hangers and stuff. Now we are in a suite, so we get robes and stuff, but we got a full-length mirror. We'll come back over here to the bathroom. Stand-up shower. Just a regular old bathroom. Come in. Got a chair, bed, that's where Jack's gonna sleep. Then we've got the vanity. Obviously at this sailing we are on the Carnival Elation going out of Jacksonville. Winds are a little worrisome, but hopefully things will calm down. Does have a little fridge, hair dryer. These are just for your laundry. Stool, lights, and then obviously a king size bed. You can split that to do 2 twins if you needed. And then obviously the balcony. So on day one of our cruise, the weather was pretty rough. Wind was very bad. So some of these videos that are on the outside, I do have to mute.
Lots to be desired.
Made of candy, I guess. Is it gross?
Oh, it's a video. Whoa! Shotgun it in. Let's see which one it's gonna go in. Oh. Sure. Oh, did he get stuck?
I hope you didn't fit. Oh, no. Yeah. This is so
Right?
This is
It's the what?
It's the best boat ever.
Is it?
Yeah. Oh, there's another boat.
I think that's. Oh, it's He scared the crap out of us.
you so much for watching. Please subscribe and go have fun.